Most, if not all of the entrepreneurs I talk to are understandably anxious and excited to start doing, their great business idea. Their passion is why I absolutely love doing what I do, and why I became an entrepreneur myself. But that excitement often makes entrepreneurs dive right in without doing some of the less glamorous behind the scenes work. And that's where attorneys and accountants and other service providers can come in. A great example of this is not forming a business entity before you actually launch your business. Now, properly setting up a business entity has all kinds of benefits, right? It can reduce your personal exposure to liabilities of the business. You can work with your accountant to minimize taxes that you might have to pay. Even just setting it up correctly can make sure that business is conducted more efficiently, right? There's a huge difference between offering your services just as yourself and a freelancer, and actually setting up an LLC and really taking your business more seriously. In some instances, it can help you obtain financing for your business. And if you're going to have any sort of stakeholders in your business, whether that's business partners, investors, managers, whatever the case might be, creating that business entity can go a long way to avoiding some of the misunderstandings that might creep up later on down the road. So, when should you form your business entity? Well, since the right entity will help to limit your personal liability, my answer is always before you take on any significant business obligations, we want to get that business entity set up. So before you sign any contracts or leases, because we want those to be in the name of the business, before you enter into any agreements with any other third parties, again, for the same reason, and especially before you start trying to raise funds from other people, even if those people are just friends and families, we want to have that legal business entity in place. These types of relationships always start out very friendly. Everybody's got the best of intentions, but those same relationships will often be the greatest potential source of conflict down the road.